loading film into a Bronica ETRS back. First off, we need to get the film insert out, so on these later ones we push those two levers together. And now we've got the film insert. And what you're going to need to do is move this take-up spool down to the bottom. So we've got these two flaps. So if you just push, pop that out, pop that one out, take the spool, put it in the bottom, and then get a roll of film. Now this is where people sometimes get it wrong. Probably try and put it in that way. The film plate is here, and that's got to be where the back of the film is. So if you put it in that way, all you're doing is putting the film, which is on this side, to the back, to the pressure plate, and you won't get any images. So you've got to put it in backwards. And drop the film in. Now we've got a new roll of film in the top, take a spool in the bottom. We've got the back against the pressure plate and the film pointing out. Bring it round. We're going to put it, the tongue in the slot, like so. What I like to do is wind it using the spool to get it started. And then we've got a red dot down here, putting a little bit of pressure on here, we wind it through. And we've got an arrow. When that arrow lines up with the red dot, we're there. And get her back. Drop it back in. Close it up. And then we can wind. You can just put the back on the camera and wind the camera that way, or you can still just use this wheel. And it gets to 1, it'll stop. Now that's ready to take a photo. That's how to load the ETRSI or ETRS film back.